Okay, this is the Ray Tracing Rules Lab, hypotheses, the different reference rays, as your book calls them, which is fine, then post-lab questions. So what we're going to do, as we have done in the past, like we did with the practice, we're going to use a mirror and the basic optic light source and a straight edge to trace the path of the reflected rays. So, our light source, plug it in to get the light going. The mirror, again, try to go from left to right. I'm kind of working at an angle here so you can see better what's going on. In fact, I'll do this vertically to the camera. Or like this. I think this will be even better. All right. So again, I line this up as best I can all along the way. And the intent here, again, this is a first surface mirror because it's the reflecting off the first surface that the incoming light will strike. I'm just trying to get the front of the mirror lined up with the curve on the paper as best I can. Again, it's not quite circular, whereas the line is fairly good circle. I'm just trying to kind of that. Now again, straight edge, smaller straight edge probably works better, and all we do is here is a line parallel to the principal axis. So I take my straight edge, if I can fit it in there. No. Can I fit it in this way? Ooh, just barely. So I'm lucky because I'm not actually managing to block the light. That's nicely. Now, I try not to use the colored pencils on this one because we want to get reasonably good. Now, the mirror moved. That was bad. Okay, and you can see here, I'm tracing the reflected ray, right? Comes right from that point. And again, you can see the light is actually there. Yay, did what it's supposed to do. So here, this one's a little better because we're off to the side a bit. And get it like so. Straight edge, if it fits. Just barely. Yay. Look at that. So again, am I going over? Now I'm a little up. That arrow is not quite in the middle of the light ray. So I'm just going to nudge it. Nudging is an old scientific tradition. And I jostled my mirror. I don't want to jostle my mirror. An unjostled mirror. If you pronounce the T in jostled, you're pronouncing it wrong. And there we go. This particular mirror, that curved part was bad, so I'm just flipping it over to see if this is more circular. There we go. And get the light back over that line because I nudged the light source. See, again, I did it again. It's like I have no dexterity. I know we're all shocked by that. So we don't jostle the mirror. Jostling is bad. Okay, again, check. Is the pencil over the light? Yes, yay. It's all good. Last light ray. Now, the thing with this one is, ideally, and you can see we're pretty well lucky, the ray of reflected light is directly over the ray of the incoming light. Now, if you notice, if I'm off that arrow a little bit, bring it in closer, the reflected ray gets closer. Bring it in real close until we're actually right on that. And I think I jostled the mirror again. So my reflected ray here, it's like that. Yay. Pretty well lines up. Yeah. Again. Like that. The ray I traced with my pencil and straight edge is inside the beam of light there. So that's good. All right. Now here, for this one, you notice I didn't trace it all the way back to the mirror, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, again, I'm going to make sure my pencil lead is on the line. Bump it in like that. Kaboom. With this, you should be able to answer the questions that refer to this first diagram for the concave mirror. And I believe you're going to cut out the diagram. Yep, see? Look at that. Step VI is cut out the diagram. You don't have to cut out the whole width of the paper, just the picture.